So one of the things that we started with was here at Patty's Haven is the Angel Trail. So the Angel Trail has chimes all through it, and if you listen, very beautiful and peaceful, which is the goal. And when we have our group of ladies come up from the recovery house, they are invited to paint rocks and to line the path with sayings or people or anything that gives them comfort that remain here, so they could come back and, enjoy the trail just in solace if they'd like to, or with their friends during or after the actual group therapy with the horses. There's some more chimes, and it's going to be difficult to really see the rocks, but we do have an angel, and this is from one of our group members, actually one of the first ones, and unfortunately she succumbed to addiction, but this is her angel, which will stay here. And then we'll see if we can find, these are the trails and the rocks, and we'll see if, because of the leaves, if we can see any. There's some. So if you look, this rock says codependency. So that's something that somebody wants to let go of. So the rocks can also be labeled as something they need to let go of, or a name. And it's so beautiful back here too. It's so peaceful. We are surrounded by over 7,000 acres of protected watershed. So no people, and very safe, because with trauma, safety is everything. Go around this way, and we'll have to come back in the spring and do another walk when we can really see the rocks. But here are some more angels up here in the tree. And they signified people who have lost the battle with addiction. And so addiction robs people of their dignity and their true inner light, because everybody has an inner bright shining light. And part of our goal here, part of our mission, is to help people to return to that goodness, that light, that heart that they've always been, that addiction robbed them of, and trauma. So that was the Angel Trail. And I'm going to end here, and then I will be doing another video of each and every one of the horses that we have, are very special horses. Okay. Bye.